this is cool.
Echo. Hear the doggy echo.
Echo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yippee! Triggs, don't be so rude.
Sausages. Doggy bickies.
Could you stop that, please? You're tickling my belly.
Who's that?
I'm Harriet, the humpback whale. What in the name of the Atlantic Ocean are you two doing in my belly?
Oh, we kind of heard an echo, and we thought that maybe that's what a whale's belly would sound like, and then we were just kind of here. I'm Triggs, by the way.
And I'm Maddie. We're musical adventurers.
Oh, musical adventurers, eh?
Uh-huh. We like sounds and we like music.
Oh, I used to love music a long time ago.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, I would sing and sing, but sure, who would want to listen to my silly voice anymore?
Oh, I'm sure your voice isn't silly.
We'd love to hear you sing, Harriet.